Good morning, guys. So we just ordered some more materials. This is from the cement is from yesterday that was delivered, and Seapring picked up some doorknobs and some hinges for the doors. So total was $3,250. Some more materials for Jason's house. This is for the gutters. PVC pipe. Total 1,128. So they're gonna start on the terrace, doing the finishing. And check out the floor, so it looks really good. So they're dry now. Alright guys, good morning. So we have another day of some big improvements. I'll just turn around so you can see. The front terrace is looking really good. And Seapring's working on the ceiling today. I love this terrace so far. So all the floors are pretty much done. And another thing, if you notice, the doors. So we got the doors in. So it looks like they're gonna start out here, working on the ceiling there, and then maybe coming in. And there's gonna be one light switcher plug for electric, and then they're gonna have a divider here with 2 rooms, and they're gonna have electric in the divider. So we found some bananas. We're gonna make something with them, but the birds have been eating them. So yes. You can see on top. We'll take a closer look once we cut it down.
If they will not cut, just bird is eating.
The birds eat it all?
No, eating all. Bird is eating. No.
Look at that! Wow.
The bird.
They ate them hollow. Look at that.
Yes.
They had a good, nice little snack.
Yes. Bird is hungry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there's the ones we couldn't use. And then we still got a whole pot full though.
Yes.
So I think we're okay.
Yes, okay. Yes, put the water to cook. Yes. To avoid overcook. God.
Alright, so here's some of the tools that we're going to use today. We just finished boiling the bananas, the sagging. Then we're taking the banana peels off. And then we're putting the banana peels in here to eventually smash and clean the rock. And Seapring's riding the horse to town.
Horse eat coconut.
Horse eat coconut. Not man eat coconut.
So if you've seen other videos in the Philippines, you're probably familiar with this. It's just a blade connected to like a log. And then you sit on it like you're riding a horse. And then you get all the meat off the coconut.
Not
so that's,
move.
Look at that. That's the after.
Not move.
And this is the before.
Your handle, you keep your handle, bro.
All right.
Just put your
That's a solid
Yes.
piece of wood right there.
Paddle.
No! It's like a baseball bat. You can use this for a baseball.
Baseball.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yes.
All right. So
You
here we
see.
go.
Here we go now. Yo.
So this is just
Are
the
you
peels.
praying?
Yeah. So this is just to clean the rock. You okay?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Ano yan? Yes. Sino na? Paano?
Just get it all around the sides to clean everything.
Yes. Wow, then
Look at that. All right, so next, now that the rock is clean, the stone,
yes.
we add the bananas.
Yes. Wow.
All right, look at that. It's a good workout.
Here a finish.
Nice.
My horse will not stay. No move.
Naluyang means sa English tired banana. Naluya tired.
Then put
Add the coconut?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Coconut. Add the coconut.
Next.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah,
Nice. That's a workout.
If finish, if you tried your recipe.
Ah, nice, nice.
Nice,
Got a
good.
back massage. That's nice. That keeps me going.
Just taste.
Taste it now?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, it's time to taste.
Mm,
Cooking.
I think it's good.
Yes.
Mm,
It's
very
sweet.
good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, we're done with the first batch. So I did the round one, which we just finished.
Round one.
Jason's gonna do round two.
Two.
What is this called? The stone.
Stone. Sa Bisaya, Lusong.
Lusong.
Lusong. Oh.
Okay.
Not place, Luzon.
Ah,
This is
okay.
Stone. You see Cebu,
Yeah.
Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon.
Yeah. Is it pronounced the same?
Lusong.
Lusong. Kind of like a song.
Yes.
Lusong.
Lusong.
All right. So this is called Lusong.
In the Philippines.
Yes.
Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to make your broken heart. No word divided now. So dry in tears in your arms.
Duet with my mom.
Yes. Do it with what? No? Lady, just forget the past. It's time to make your broken heart.
So the stone that we're using today is probably like 50 years old or
Yes.
maybe even more.
You see, this the same to Baludoy here.
Yeah.
You're grinding here
Yeah,
corn.
yeah.
Oh, there's a people make that and this. Oh. Kanang usara nang mabuhat ani lusong kanang mga katong galingan bitaw day. Usara mga tao nga magabuhat ngani. Oh, usara ka
It's rare to find someone who can make that.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
usually, it's like from ancestors.
From
like
ancestors, yeah, because I've never seen anybody make one of these here before. So luyang is very easy to make, you know, at least to get the ingredients. There's only 3. There's the coconut, the banana, and then the brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And then I think just making it, you need some muscle, you know, you gotta pound you gotta smash the banana
With
and all the
strong
ingredients,
muscle.
yeah. And then if you get the fresh coconut, then you gotta use the machete and then grind it with the horse guy over there.
Yes.
So it's a unique process to do it. But the outcome is delicious. And then if you have a banana leaf to hold it, and it works out perfect.
But the typhoon comes, there's no banana.
To wipe them all out.
Yes, all. But
A
now,
lot of them.
thank you. They have a banana.
Nice view here.
Yes.
We don't hear Belude singing today. He's taking the day off. He's hoarse. He's sore. He's been singing every day non-stop.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Jason likes it sweet.
shit! Put sugar in the top.
Found myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We're walking in moonlight, you pull me close, split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. Woke up in tears with you by my side, a breath of relief, and I realized there's nowhere not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you, like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you. The blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you longer, babe. Any chance that I get, I'll make the most of the minutes in love and no regrets. Let's take our time to say what we want, use what we've got before it's all gone. There's nowhere not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you, like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I'll take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know when we'll run out of time. So I'm gonna love you, I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
All right, guys. So the workers just took off, and Richie and I are gonna take off too soon. That door's locked. That's good. They can lock them now. Is that door open? Hello. Well, that's good. They can lock the doors now, so no animals can get inside. Yeah. So it's really coming along. They got the electric ready to go as soon as they start doing the dividers, and then they start having this up. And this part does take a while. There's a lot of measuring, a lot of cutting, a lot of screwing. So this might be a little time consuming, but eventually all that, the ceiling will be done. And I think they're gonna do the outside first and then work in the inside. So very cool. So another good day. Here's a look at the front with the doors. So all right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So I guess we'll carry on and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, Jeff, want to play that song today?
Yeah.
Yeah. we never know what song to choose really, because some songs she knows, I don't know. It's kind of nice that we kind of are familiar with the same song.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.